big thank you to flowerbulbs.com for donating the bulbs that we're going to plant in this very special place in a very special garden. Come on, kids, let's go. Are you guys ready to learn how to plant daffodils?
Yes.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
What is it that you like about being in the garden?
I like that I feel loved here and that I get to plant. Like, I learn how to plant, learn new things.
Have you ever planted bulbs before?
Nope.
Are you up for it?
Yes. Something new every day.
I like practical hobbies and skills. I like being able to make myself useful. Like, I can do something and watch the progress and, you know, add different elements into it and talk to people and help sell produce. Or I can do manual labor, like staining wood. Like, I've never done that, never knew that that was a practical, like something that you had to do. I thought you just paint over the wood. Anyways, and I can do marketing, I guess, like planning what we'll do in the spring and summer when those seasons come. I think everyone, especially Black people, need to learn how to provide food for themselves, and we need a community to offer food and offer those services, especially in an area like Homewood where, you know, it's a difficult place to get to a grocery store. And yeah, even beyond growing, people can come here and just feel closer to nature.
We had a lot of kids here and they knew nothing about gardening either. We taught them how to weed stuff, how to grow stuff. Most of them didn't really know what like a fresh like vegetables and fruit looked like, so which was a little shocking, but like not at the same time. And most of them, like, we asked them and they didn't know where the food came from. They would just say, "Oh, I just thought it, you know, show up at the grocery store and it was to eat." So we taught them, you know, how farming started and, you know, like how farming can be helpful to people in the Black community, especially in the like lower income neighborhoods, because a lot of the times we don't have fresh fruit and vegetables delivered to our area. So when you grow it yourself, it can like help out people around you and help yourself.
This is Keelin's place. This is a garden designed especially for autistic children. The things that you see in here blow. They're very mobile. They move a lot.
And today we're going to plant some daffodils outside of this special garden as a way to bring beauty to it, but also they're good pollinator plants.
Yes.
So I'll just show you how to do it, and then you can do it if you want. Okay? Now this end, where the roots are, that goes down in here.
Are you packing the soil down and
Just kind of putting it around, and we just do it it doesn't have to be a line or anything. This one will give you 2 flowers. You ready to learn how to plant bulbs?
Yes, I am.
You saw what we did. Let's go. Start drilling. Find a spot we didn't plant in. Oh, that's awesome. Very good. And where should they go?
in
Keelin's place.
Let's go. Let's plant.
It was fun.
That was fun.
Can't wait to see them.
Ready to see the result?
And what do you hope that these young women get out of working with you in here?
That they can do anything they want to do and not just use it as a phrase. These young women have come to me not having a clue about gardening. They do so much in this garden and they follow it up with research.
The people from the community, what do you hope they get out of
I
this?
want them to see that we can be self-sufficient and educate and develop skills right within our own community.